Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we are selling this lovely Ducati Supersport S. So this one's a 2017 bike on a 17 plate, and it's done just 2,128 miles from new. Proper cracking bike, come with LED lights at front end. Being the S, you get the Ohlins suspension front and rear, and of course the Brembo brakes as well. So it handles and stops brilliantly, and you also get the Quickshifter and power modes and traction on these as well. Really cool looking bike. Comes with seat cowl at back end, which ties it in nice. That's a lovely thing. If you'll come and have a look over at the clocks, you can see of course you've got the blue there for your Ohlins. Nice full digital display. You can see we're in sport mode at the moment. Traction and ABS settings you can adjust there as well. Yeah, they're a wicked bike, these. So looking over this side of the bike, fully fed, they do look absolutely wicked. You can see if you just zoom in there, this being the S model, you have got the Quickshifter. But yeah, it's a wicked bike. Right, let's give it a start up so you can have a listen to it. Proper awesome sound in these, so what a wicked bike. If you do fancy it, please give us a call or pop down to the showroom and we'll get your name on it. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.